successful women? Nah. A letter to powerful women? Nah. Never mind. I will speak. I will speak for all mamas, for I hear those mamas saying women can be like us. I will speak for wasichana because we are not only head turners, we turn tables. Nando kitu cha maana. I will speak for young girls with big dreams turn into big screens when they get chopped in their bedrooms. I will speak. I will speak for student wives, mabinti, walezi, sisemi hawayawezi, they just have so much to offer if a safe environment would foster. I will speak. I will speak for millions who are made weak. Weakened by abuse, weakened by their bodies misused, weakened by their thoughts not being used. I will speak. Na kabla sijaendelea, leo I'm not speaking to men, sijui serikali, sijui watu za nchi za mbali. I'm speaking to us, for us, through us, by us, women. And I'm speaking against our hearts, hypocritic, loving each other in the open but hating each other. I'm speaking to us who sit in the board of directors but fail to direct us to light. I am speaking because sometimes we are victims of our own choices. We have voices but we don't say. We have roles but we don't play. We have homage but we don't pay. We act like sculptures made out of clay, rigid. What I'm trying to say is stretch a hand when you don't have ukoma. Ukoma wa kukataliwa, ukoma wa kukatiliwa, ukoma wa mawazo kutawaliwa. Stretch a hand and reach out to the leper, helper. You should begin with us, be in us, start to empower us, shower us, clean the house, and then invite wageni and men, not only to support us, but be spectators of the game we play. We have the chair and we're here to stay.
Yes.
Na najua mwanamke si mama, mwanamke ni mama lakini leo si mama. Akinisikia anasema mwanamke ni mama lakini leo
si mama.
Mwanamke ni mama lakini leo
si mama.
Si mama.
Yes. Woo. Tusimame.